Welcome to Actual Skill Modelling. This is part 4 and the final review of the Eller kit of Alouette 3 Gramaria Skill 1 to 72. Now, I should point out from the start, when you see the review, the paint has changed ever so slightly. I didn't paint the white in too well. I left it a bit thin and wishy-washy. So I went back to it and repainted in some of the white. So the white's a deeper colour now. So you'll notice that difference if you watch the other videos. So a little bit about this kit. I didn't have time to mention in the other videos. This kit was fantastic value for money. It is a small helicopter, small kit, and it costs around about £8 here in the UK. Don't know what that would equate to euros or dollars, but it's a really inexpensive kit, and there's a lot of detail in this kit and it went together beautifully. Now I would recommend this kit for anyone, whether you've never ever picked up a model kit before or not, or you're a very experienced builder. Everyone will get something out of this kit. So all that's left to do now is to show you the actual finished kit. I had a lot of fun with this. I would understand if a lot of people don't like it for what it is, but it's all about fun, and I had a tremendous amount of fun building this kit. So if you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel for my other videos? There may be something there for you to have a look at. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll be notified of any upcoming builds. If you hit that little bell icon, that'll give you your notifications. Leave a comment, and of course you can share the video as well, and also hit that like button. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Enjoy the video, and bye bye.